with the 15 billion agenda, and of course, as I've mentioned, with the 500 million tree commitment that we've made in Mama Doing Good, is there are certain tree species that we are promoting. And largely fruit trees, because we know of the economic value and nutritional aspects that fruit trees can have and support to families. But today we chose bamboo, and bamboo is emerging as a tree species that has a socioeconomic value, that Kenyans and young people can grow this. Of course, being a very good tree for protecting water catchment areas, it's a very good tree for protecting and conserving water catchment areas. But value addition also on bamboo can create a lot of jobs in terms of creating furniture, creating plates, and all these value addition products that can be made from bamboo. So we are promoting bamboo also to advance and provide opportunities for young people.
Through our plan, we've been able to test and work together with KEFRI and KFS to identify this particular species that are doing well in this kind of environment. And therefore, the trees we plant here have already been identified, and we are planting the species that are able to do well in this environment and survive. And therefore, that has enabled us to consider tree growing rather than tree planting. In that we are able to monitor the growth of the tree from the seedling to the level where it's 2 years, up to 2 years, when we are able to confirm that the tree is able to mature and take off in as far as greening of the Technopolis is concerned. Working together with and the KFS, Kenya Forestry Service and Kenya Forest Research Institute, we've been able to identify even up to the locations where the trees are supposed to be planted.